Dino Island.
Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus. A strong helmet-like structure on the head of a Pachycephalosaurus helps protect it against enemies.
A poor miller had 3 sons. When he died, all that he left behind was a mill, a donkey, and a cat.
Well, since I'm the oldest,
said his first son.
I'll take the mill.
The second son quickly added,
And I'm next. I'll take the donkey.
They looked at their younger brother, Marquis.
Now, you won't have to worry when I'm around. All I need is a bag and a handsome pair of... Our father left us some property in his will. I can't help thinking that it's been divided unfairly. Do you remember what I got?
Soon the cat was given his own... This went on for 2 months.
First, I need a bait for the rabbit. What do you think rabbits love to eat?
Puss knew a lot of things.
Is that...
Soon Marquis was pulled out of the...
Master, I have a great idea. All you need to do is go and bathe in the river. I will take care of the rest. Well, all right. That's easy. While he's bathing, I need to hide his clothes. Can you think of a good place to hide them?
Puss went ahead and saw some men and women reaping grain in a field.
My good
So, boom! The ogre became a tiny mouse and scurried across the room. Quick! Puss licked his lips. He clapped his hands 3 times and summoned all the people living in the castle.
The coach with the king, the princess, and my master will be here soon. I have to wake up the ogre right away.
Meanwhile, the king travelled through the countryside, speaking. Marquis smiled at the princess.